Gandhinagar, Ndin, is the capital of the state of Gujarat in western India. Gandhinagar is located approximately 23 kilometers north of Ahmedabad, on the west-central point of the industrial corridor between Delhi, the political capital of India, and Mumbai, the financial capital of India. 30 sectors, into which the city has been divided, stretch around the central government complex. Each sector has its own shopping and community center, primary school, health center, government and private housing. There is a provision for of parks, extensive planting and a recreational area along the river, giving the city a green garden city atmosphere. The Akshardham temple is located in Gandhinagar. There was a determination to make Gandhinagar a purely Indian enterprise, partly because the state of Gujarat was the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi, and hence the planning was done by two Indian town planners, Prakash Mapte and H.K. Mevadar, who had apprenticed with Le Corbusier in Chandigarh. History. In the 13th century, King Pethasene of Pethapur ruled over Shur the town. After the death of Pethasene, the Sultanate of Patan used this land as battleground. Sultan Ahmed Shah decided to move his capital from Patan to a new city, and built Ahmedabad. In 1960, Bombay state was split in two different states, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Ahmedabad became capital of Gujarat, and a new capital city was to be built on land which was once part of Pethapur state. The new capital city was planned by chief architect H.K. Mevadar, educated at Cornell University, and his assistant, Prakash Mapte. Both Mevadar and Apte had worked as trainees under legendary architect Le Corbusier in the Chandigarh project in the 1950s. Gandhinagar's streets are numbered, and have cross streets named for letters of the Gujarati alphabet. All streets cross every kilometer, and at every crossing traffic circles decrease the speed of traffic. The city has developed in four distinct phases. Phase 1. After the city's infrastructure was completed in 1970, and until 1980, it was known as Gandhian City, since it was based on Gandhi's concepts and principles. Phase 2. Between 1980 and 1990, a time of low pollution, it was known as Unpolluted City. Phase 3. After 1990, many trees were planted, and the city became the Green City. Phase 4. In 2002, Gujarat's Chief Minister, Narendra Modi, proposed a new, triple focus for the city. It should be green, it should use solar energy, and it should be cosmopolitan. The new city is linked with Ahmedabad on the south by a direct road, having a straight alignment and a right-of-way 91.44 meters wide between the proposed capital and the railway station of Kodar, about 10 kilometers to the west. This road was proposed to be extended further to the south to join the state highway at Surkaj near Ahmedabad. A road-over bridge was to be provided at the crossing of this road and the Ahmedabad-Delhi meter gauge line at Kodar. Thus, traffic from Saurashtra area could directly come to Gandhinagar without going through Ahmedabad. The road link to Kodar also connects the new city with Ahmedabad-Mount Abu State Highway. The site is connected to National Highway No. 8 across the river by 5 km link road. The alignment of the proposed extension of the broad-gauge railway from Sabarmati to the fertilizer complex at Saij near Kalal, and also to the thermal power station installed in the industrial area in Gandhinagar, was to run along the western boundary of the township. It was proposed to have a railway station in the center along the western boundary of the township. The railway line was to run under proposed road-over bridge at Kodar, and where it crosses the Ahmedabad-Kalal State Highway, there was to be a road-over bridge. The new city was thus very well linked by road, rail and air with all parts of the state and the country.